Should you buy touch-up paint for your motorcycle? Well, I have two. One is white and one is blue. I got a whole kit for white. It came with a primer, two types of paint, one the first coat, second, and the clear coat as well. And I also purchased this blue one from Touch Up Direct, and it's kind of hard to tell, so they kind of work. It's kind of hard to tell, so they kind of work, but they don't really make everything super smooth. It's hard to even out the paint and make it look exactly like it, but it will make the scuffed fairings look a little bit better. And if you don't want to spend on brand new fairings, it can kind of hide the damage. You see, this is scuffed up, this is kind of all scuffed up, but now it's painted and it's pretty hard to tell there's any damage in there. Same here. If you get really close, you can see it. But now that it's painted, I don't need a new one. This is a little worse, but since it's white now instead of scraped plastic, it is also a little more hidden.